This home was in serious need of renovation, and it was a dump and it needed a new kitchen.
It needed everything.
It needed a lot of things doing to it, but Matt came around and gave us some good advice and pointed us in the right direction, and by the end result you can see it really worked, and it works well.
Walking into a new area, they couldn't believe the transformation and how modern the kitchen looks now.
The positive that we did get from Precision was that they did also do their own stonework, so we had one trade that could actually finish off all the cabinetry, so we probably saved 1 to 2 weeks.
We only wanted Precision because we know that they do good work and they really look after you.
When I initially engaged Precision, I was sceptical, but I went on their Facebook page, I looked at their work, their history. I thought, I'm going to give them a go. I enjoyed the experience with them. Very professional and friendly team.
Yeah, experience with Precision was quite good actually. Their response time was exceptional. You know, changes were made and they didn't really affect the overall time frame.
I just think the whole show that they put on when they come in is fantastic.
And we'll keep recommending them.